everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a new dance tutorial for you. Okay, this song is from JRice. So the title of the song is called Thank You for the Broken Heart. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we start facing your left side. So it goes like this, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, close 1, 7, bend 8. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, close on 7, and 8. You got it? Let's continue. Let's do it faster. 2, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Turn around on 7, 8. Okay? One more time. Let's start from the beginning. 7 and 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's try both from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. Next, step your right to the back, 1, 2. So pop, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. One more time, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, and 8. Let's continue. From here, you gotta bounce 1, 2. Step back on 3, turn around on 4, step on 5. This one, any hit, check. Close on 7, hit back on 8. One more time. From here, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Back to 3, turn 4, stop on 5, hit 6, 7, and 8. 4, 8. Let's try from the beginning. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, and go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, turn 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, front 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's continue. From here, 7, 8, side. 1, 2, 3. Step on 4. Make sure you face to your left. 4, go 5, 6, back on 7, and 8. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, slowly 1, 2, drop your left, 3, 4. Copy? One more time. 7, we do it from here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go 7, 8. Continue, go 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That's all the choreography. But let's do review one more time. Let's do it one more time from here. Slowly. 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. This one, right. And 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Yes! Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Smooth and slow. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn, stop. Back, 7, back. Now from 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, drop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes! Good job! If you have problems getting the choreography, you just repeat the video and make it in a slow motion, okay? There's a option here in YouTube to do it slowly. Okay? See you next time. Bye-bye! Thank you guys so much for watching Home-Led Choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my videos. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!